What's happening, everyone? Luke McGuire here. Now I want to get straight to the point and show you right now how Octosuite is going to draw millions of targeted users to your product, service or offer on Facebook for free, how it's going to solve the 8 biggest pain points social media marketers face, and finally, how it's going to start to grow your audience and, more importantly, your bank account today. Now, as you guys know, I like to do things a little bit differently, and rather than tell you how good Octosuite is and how it's going to be the only tool you'll ever need to make money online again, I'd rather put my money where my mouth is and show you it live in action right now. So what I've decided to do is take you on a 60-second journey of how Octosuite came about, show you Octosuite live in action, and most importantly, show you how Octosuite is going to start making you money today. Let's do this, guys.
Octosuite is the only tool you will ever need for your Facebook marketing, period, and this is why. Over the past year, I've been able to create many of the go-to tools for marketers with the #1 mission to get my customers results by solving problems and automating them for the user. Each software I have ever created automates one major issue that has never been solved before. For example, being able to create the world's first Facebook mass group poster, the world's first Facebook live syndication tool, and even the first person to bring Instagram to the desktop. I've been blessed enough to be able to travel around the world, speaking at conferences, meeting thousands of people, and having an extremely fun time while doing so. Now, why the hell does this matter to you, and how is this going to make you money? Well, over this time, working with tens of thousands of customers from all over the world, I discovered 8 key tasks that differentiated people who are making 5 to 6 figures a month from Facebook to those trying to make their first dollar online. The difference between these people was they didn't have time to do the work needed, they were simply lazy, or they had information overload and were confused. The only solution here was to find a way to automate the top processes to go viral on Facebook, from being able to find the most viral content in any niche from any social network, to being able to drip feed content on a mass scale, to being able to mass post to any Facebook fan page or group in one click. But as I said earlier, rather than telling you how good Octosuite is and the problems it solves, let me simply show you this live right now. While watching this, I want you to think how this can directly relate to your business, so get ready to be blown away and start making a killing right now.
Alright guys, so we're inside of Octosuite right now, so let's start the timer and see how much we can get done and how we can start going viral today. Octosuite gives you the ability to instantly find any content in any niche from Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, YouTube, and even competitor pages in seconds, while then categorizing that content from most viral, most liked, recent posts, and so on, so you can see what works for others and, most importantly, what doesn't. Octosuite then allows you to take that content and edit it accordingly so it's unique to you and your brand by adding call to actions, editing the text, adding graphics, and even filters to your images. Octosuite allows you to then select unlimited fan pages to post to. That's right, just select or upload an image, choose all the fan pages or groups you want, and hit post. Your update will then be posted directly to all of those fan pages instantly, completely safe within the Facebook API. We found that a huge pain point was users hated the fact they had to not only find content, but then figure out how to schedule it to each fan page. So Octosuite has now introduced the first bulk schedule drip feeding tool to ensure your fan pages never miss out on an update again. Facebook groups are without a doubt one of the best ways to find active users and customers in your field, but an ongoing issue is not only how do we find these Facebook groups, but also join them in a time-efficient way. With Octosuite, simply enter your niche, be displayed with all the groups in your niche, and one click join them all. It's that simple. A huge pain point for users is being able to post content to multiple groups at once. The current solutions cost hundreds of dollars a month, but with Octosuite, simply upload your content, select any group even if you are not an admin of it, and hit post. Your content will then be posted to any selected location you have chosen. The final pain point we discovered was a way for users to then track their posts and monitor their progress of their pages. Well, Octosuite has that covered for you also in a very clean, simple, easy to use dashboard. Finally, we are here to help you through every single step of the way. So simply click on the home button inside of Octosuite, scroll down to the bottom through all of the features, join our VIP Facebook community, go through all of our training videos, and if you still have any questions, contact us through our 24-hour-a-day support center here. Now let's jump back over to the white screen and I'll show you how I will double your money back if this doesn't work for you.
Alright guys, so we're back here in the studio now and you can see why people are not doing this manually. It would literally take days to do what we just did in 60 seconds, and we would still be playing Russian roulette with our businesses, hoping the stuff we are posting goes viral, manually joining and posting to groups and fan pages, and in the hope that it even gets seen by people. Lucky for you though, it has never been easier for you to automate this entire process. Put simply, Octosuite allows you to replace the need of a social media manager by having all your Facebook fan pages and groups posting the most viral, trending content daily for you instantly, sending your organic reach through the roof, your posts viral, automating the work that normally takes hours to do, and most importantly, grow your audience and bank accounts right away. Guys, the beauty of this is that you just leave it running in the background, and every single time it results in your content, profiles, and fan pages going viral, and most importantly, sales being driven directly into the banks of anyone using Octosuite. Now again, imagine what it would be like to finally double your income or more in the next couple of days while having your social pages go viral with no extra work needed at all. Now, before I talk to you about how I will double your money back if this doesn't work for you, to say thank you for picking this up right now, I'll be giving you lifetime access for the cost of a dinner out. I can't sell it at this price all year round, so when the clock hits zero, the price of this is going to be going up to $197 a month. So it's an absolute no-brainer to grab this right now. On top of that, guys, for launch week only, I'm throwing in a bunch of bonuses for you. These will be removed at the end of launch week and they will never be seen again. So in saying that, for launch week only, I'm giving you 4 bonuses for those who take action right now. This includes my Invite All software, which allows you to invite anyone who has ever liked any of your Facebook ads to go ahead and like your fan pages with a single click, allowing you to grow your fan page numbers rapidly for free. This is not available to the public, and you get this for free right now when you grab Octosuite. You also will be getting our bonus competitor insights tool, which allows you to find statistics of where any of your Facebook fan pages or even your competitors' fan pages are from, so you can better understand your audience and tailor your updates accordingly, as Octosuite does allow you to search trending topics and posts from any location in the world. You also will be getting my Facebook font changer tool, which allows you to change your font on Facebook to really stand out from the crowd. No one is doing this, guys, or probably even knows it's possible, and it is an amazing way to stop people in their tracks to view your update while they are scrolling through your newsfeed. Finally, you get access to what is no doubt, in my personal opinion, the most important bonus: access to the Octosuite VIP group. This will give you access to me personally and other top marketers around the world. Those who know me know how valuable my VIP groups are, as I use these as a primary way to hold you accountable for the long run and ensure 100% you get the results I know you can. Now, as mentioned earlier, guys, I'm a super skeptical person, and I'm sure you are also. It's natural, especially in this internet marketing world. This is why I'm going to remove all risk for you to grab Octosuite right now. I am so sure this will work for you that I'm going to bet my own money on it. If this is not the easiest, most simple, best social software you have ever used, I do not want your money. This is why within 14 days, if you do not like Octosuite for whatever reason, or you just want your money back to go buy that new shirt or go buy some credits on that new crazy Pokemon Go app, I will refund you 100% of your money, no questions asked. Now, to make this a risk for you not to pick up, if you work with myself and my team for 60 days and you still get 0 results, I will personally double your money back. That is how sure I am Octosuite is going to deliver you results. It's going to automate the key tasks needed for you to go viral, and in result, make you a leader in your field on the world's biggest social platform. And the only risk for you right now is not to grab this because of my double your money back guarantee. So what I'll get you to do right now is go through the results on this sales page, the testimonials, the demos, and then hit the buy button now to secure your lifetime license for a one-time small investment before the price goes up when the countdown timer hits 0 to $197 a month. Don't go back to wasting your time on tools and courses that don't get you results. Stop playing Russian roulette with your businesses with tactics that just don't work, and don't go back to paying an arm and a leg for traffic you can make for free. And finally, don't go back to struggling to getting people to pay attention to your offer. Pick this up now and literally watch your business go viral, bringing in leads within the next hour. So in saying that, my name is Luke McGuire, and on behalf of myself and our unstoppable team here that never takes no as an answer, we thank you for watching, and I can't wait to personally meet you in the members area in just 1 minute.